Outside the Museum of Contemporary Art, or MOCA, in Virginia Beach, Maury High School art students installed their sculpture entitled Maladaptive Puppeteer. This piece was made possible thanks to a collaboration with ODU and the MOCA, which invited students to create a work of art in conjunction with the works of artist Maya Lin, who's currently featured at the museum. These students, who gave up their own free time to work on this unique project, designed the sculpture, learned metalworking thanks to art professor John Roth at ODU, and came together as a team.
It's just a great feeling to be able to give these kids this opportunity, be able to do art in the community, because they ran with it. I was the facilitator, but I was able to lend them some of my experience and some of my knowledge, but they took that and just knew how to work with it.
We've had to learn how to weld. I welded a lot. Never knew how to weld before this. We're making the invisible visible with the sea water levels rising in the past few years. So we're doing that with the hand having the weather vanes pulling up the water, symbolizing water rising with the weather changes.
It's really surreal to be a part of something like this because Maya Lin is such a well-known, renowned artist, and it's crazy to be a part of something like this. I've never been in a big group like this, and it was amazing, working with all these wonderful people. MOCA has been amazing. John Roth was a huge help. It's just been a really great experience.